So in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 3 advanced but very powerful competitor research and also product research methods that you can use so that you can have an advantage over your other competitors in e-commerce. So if you're ready, let's roll the intro. What's good? This is your boy Julian, and in today's video, I'm really excited because I get to share 3 of some of the more advanced product research and also competitor spying strategies that I never really seen anyone share before. And I know for a fact that when I share this method out, a lot of you are going to hop onto it and I may have to find new product research strategies. I know, but it's okay because this is one for all of you. And I know for a fact that this one right here is a little bit more advanced, so it takes a little bit more understanding to it, but I'll try my best to keep it short, as quick, as simple as possible so that you get to understand how this all works. Also, one more thing, if you've not checked out my other product research videos like this one right here, and also this one where I share with you some of the products that you can sell right now in January, do check it out. And yeah, if you like it, guys, remember, help me out by subscribing, give me a thumbs up, and also do support me by commenting in the comment section below, because this really helps me out. It really motivates me to share more valuable content like this with all of you. Right, so without further ado, I'm going to quickly hop into my phone this time, because this time the first strategy that I want to share with you is using TikTok. All right, so let's hop into it right now. So we're in my phone and we're just hopping on to TikTok. This is one of the first strategies that I want to share with you, which is to use keywords, hashtag keywords to be exact, to find for product ideas. And I actually have a list of 100 of the top keywords that you can actually look up for. The link will be in the description, so if you want to get it, just fill the details up in the link in the description and you should be able to have access to it. All right, so let me quickly hop on and let me show you how I actually do this. All right, so very simple. You want to actually go to the search and you want to search for one of the keywords you can search for would be Amazon finds. All right, so Amazon finds, all you need to do is fill it up in the search bar and wait until all the videos populate. Right, so you can see right here there are actually many different videos that give you ideas, and this is a collection of people who have actually listed out products on Amazon, and this is a very good way for you to do your product research. So if you actually look at this as an example right here, all right, I'm just going to turn off the volume. There's no music right here, but you can see this is one of the good examples of a good product that you can start searching for, and you can actually then go to AliExpress, see if such a product exists, and if it does exist, then you can actually sell them. Right, so this is one of the keywords, Amazon finds, very good one for you. Let me share with you another one right here. So you can just really browse through the entire TikTok videos, because there will going to be tons and tons of videos for you to watch and to give you product ideas as well. All right, so another keyword that I can actually share with you would be hashtag cool products. Hashtag cool products. So you just quickly search right here. Looks like type arrow right here. Okay, you can see here hashtag cool products, and you can see so many other different products that you can actually look up for. And yeah, hopefully this gives you some good products that you can actually start selling and give you ideas as well. Right, let me give you one more. I'm going to give you one more. The rest will be in the link in the description, so if you want to get it, just go and check it out and you should be able to have access to it. Right, so I'm just going to give you one more right now. Right, so this one is viral product. All right, so VIRAL, viral product. All right, and I'm just going to press this, and you can see here, so these are more videos that you can actually look out for. Right, so very simple way, but also very cool. And yeah, it's going to be fun for you to just go on searching for hours and hours for potential for potential products that you can actually find. All right, so the second strategy that I want to share with you is using this tool called builtwith. Now, this website builtwith is simply a website where people usually use it to find the apps that a particular website has installed, right? But another cool feature that you can actually use with builtwith is you can actually look and see what are the websites that are using that particular app with. All right, so I'm going to show you an example right now. So one of the strategies that I actually want to use is to use keywords as well, right? And just like the previous example that I shared with you, the TikTok one, I actually do have a list of keywords that you can check out in the description. So do check it out. It has a couple of other keywords that you can test to actually find more stores as well. So let me show you one as an example. One of them would be Shopify, right? So all you need to do is just key in Shopify and then click on look up. And then what happens is that you just need to click on this one here, download list of all websites using Shopify, right? So what you do is you can actually see these are some of the websites that are using Shopify as an app. And if you just click on them, it actually just shows you more information. And one of the things you can do is that you can just select this entire thing, just copy it and then go to your website and then just paste it, see whether it actually exists. Some of the websites don't really exist, but this is one of them. You can actually just test it, see whether it does, and if it does, you can actually just go and see, look up all these websites and just browse and see if there's anything you can learn from them as well. So as you can see, there's only a small number of websites that you can actually see, but if you actually create a free account, you can actually see more lists. All right, so this is what you can do. One of the other keywords that you can actually search for would be Beautify. So I'm just going to search here Beautify. Just click on lookup, and then you can see here it has a list. All right, all you need to do is just go here again, and then you can just check on any websites that you see, and hopefully you can get some product ideas. You can also spy on your competitors. All right, so what you want to do is just copy this, all right, and then just paste it right here, see whether it actually exists. So if it does, fantastic, you can actually use this. All right, this is not using Beautify, this is actually using Turbo Team, but it's still a Shopify store, and you can actually just check it out. Right, this looks like a dropshipping store as well. So use this to do your product research, and it does also share with you the locations of the store, and also tells you the estimated sales revenue, right? So you can see right here, and also how much they actually spend on tech, right? Meaning the apps and all those kind of things. So you can actually look at this right here, and it's pretty much updated. You can see this list is updated as of 11th of January. The time when I'm recording this is about 13th of January. You can actually see it's pretty much updated, right? So this is strategy number 2 that you can use to actually find for product ideas. So the third strategy that I want to be sharing with you is to use this website called feedly.com. Now, Feedly is a website that actually curates all store RSS feeds, and it just shows it to you, displays it to you very easily. And so you can actually just look at what your competitors are doing. So a very easy way for you to do this is you first need to set up your feed. And now you can do it for multiple niches. See, as you can see right here, I have for cat, for fitness, for music. You can create as many as you like. But what you want to do is once you have actually created your feed, you actually want to point it to the RSS link, and you need to actually search which is the store that you want to be looking after, or you want to be modeling after, right? So I'm just going to give you an example right here. I have this one called massagemat.com.au. So what you want to do is very simple. You just want to actually put this link into the search bar right here. So it's massagemat.com.au, whatever the link is. You want to actually type in this as well, collections, all right, /all.adam. All right, so once you have done that, you would have seen that this link down here pops up, and it actually just says source, right? So you can see that if the website actually comes up, you actually have entered the link correctly. So you just click on it, and then you also need to actually just click on follow and choose the feed that you want to add it to. So in this case, since I've added fitness, and you notice there's a typo actually, right? Just click on add, and very simple, it will be added to that fitness feed, right? You can see it appears right here. Now, how do you actually use it, right? Very simple, just click on fitness, and you can actually see that when you actually click on see all articles, it actually shows you any products that this store has recently updated. Now, obviously you can see right here, the store has recently updated. The last update was October 29, 2020, which was quite a while ago, right? You can see these are some of the articles or some of the products that I've put up. You can actually see everything right here, right? So it's very important if you actually want to spy on your competitor, whatever it is, try to look for a store that always updates. So this is also one of the ways you can identify whether the store is active or not, right? If you can see The last update was October 29, probably a while ago. Maybe the store isn't as active as it was, right? So this gives you an idea, okay? So this is the third strategy, and I hope that this will be able to help you as well. So there you go, 3 advanced but powerful competitor research strategies that you can use to get an advantage over your other competitors. Now, I hope that this video has been helpful for you, and if it did, do help me out by smashing and destroying the like button. And also subscribing and hitting the notification bell, because it does help with the YouTube algorithm, and also it gives me more motivation to do more videos like this. And also I want to help a lucky subscriber by giving you a free highly converting Shopify store. And if you want to be that lucky subscriber, all you need to do is just comment in the comment section below ecom champ, and once you do that, once this video hits 500 likes, I want to actually be able to choose that lucky subscriber. Alright, so it's going to be really interesting and really fun as well, and I hope to catch you in the next video. In this video, I'm going to show you how this general niche store was able to make over $1.8 million with only 2,000 followers.